Buenos dias, amigos. This is Joel here again for BVN Real Estate. I'm here about 2.5 blocks away from the city center. Just diagonally to my hand here is the Catholic Church, and just half a block down is the library. 1 block up is actually a gym, so it's a very central location for this property. It's an interesting house. It's got a lot of renovation potential. So we'll take a quick walk through and we'll just show you some of the features of this smaller home. It's listed on the market for close to $100,000. So we've got the exterior here, we've got parking on the street. It's very cool because it's not indirectly into the sun, which is kind of good because, you know, we've got to keep our fans on all the day in Nicaragua. So we'll go through the front building here. And we've got our little terrace, and of course we've got our gate, and the gate, of course, you know, just helps us with our protection, but it allows for some ventilation coming through the front of the home. All right, follow me and we'll go through here. We've got a total of 3 bedrooms, but as I said before in at the start of the video, the bedrooms could be renovated to make them a little more open. So we've got a large living space here with another window, which is kind of great. And here are the 2 bedrooms. So they can fit queen size beds, no problem in here. We've got, on the floor, we've got some nice tile. It's all painted, got lots of electricity. We've got a washroom back here. And we've got a shower area back here. Further down the way, we've got a terrace out on the back. There's also a 3rd bedroom here. I apologize that the light's not on, but you can see that there is a 3rd bedroom. And the back of the unit, of course, you know, being a renovated unit, you can really customize your own kitchen. So you could make it however special you want. In the backyard, we've got a small backyard, but the neat thing about this backyard is that it's completely fenced, so it's nice and secure. So we can get a motorcycle or a bicycle through the back gate and lock it so that it, you know, offers some security. You can hang your laundry out here. There's neighbors, really good neighbors that you can share, you know, and have a couple of cervezas with. Yeah, so this is great. It's only, like I say, 2.5 blocks away from the city center, and it's available for just under $100,000. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll talk to you next time. So we're just a block away from the house that I just showed you, and we're in the main square of the Cathedral Church. The neat thing about this property is if you look around here, it's got great access to a phenomenal park for the kids. And this is the same area, the main bus stop area for the children to go to school. We've also got a really nice cafe over here. There's a library, as I said, maybe about a half a block up the street. There's all kinds of shopping. There's a not a supermarket, but fruits and vegetables. Everything is within walking distance. So if you're a small family or you're looking to rent, you know, 2-3 bedrooms, or you wanted to renovate, this is an excellent property close to city center. Just kind of wanted to show you some of the extra features that are nearby the property we just videoed. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again.